Okay? So what you can do, the truth is, you can use the pointed end like this. You can use the flat end. Both of them will do the job. You just want to use you don't want to use a tiny little hammer because you want something that's gonna, you know, show it who's boss.
That metal.
Exactly. And you see how we're getting basically, you know, it's not so much about a perfect square, but again, you're trying to get it pretty even, because the more even it is, the less trouble you're going to have on the mill. Again, you know, every step you try to get it as even as you can, and that makes things a lot easier. Okay, then I'm going to pop it out and do the other side. And we'll do the same thing with our little blob. It's like a little crocodile, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Really? Same side again. Do you see that?
Yeah. It's all right.
I'm the best.
It's Friday. Come on. Right? It's
Right.
Friday.
Okay, remember to do the inside.
So you see what I mean? I do, and here's the
Yep.
thing. Let's say you're not using this and you want to just hold it by hand. The whole rule with doing this kind of thing is your fingers should never be on the hammer, the striking surface. Sooner or later, you will have a calamity if you do that. So in other words, if I were holding this, you're not holding it like this. You know what I mean? Your fingers are off here, and that way you can never, ever smash your fingers. It's pretty much a good rule for any jewelry making. See, it's twisting on me a little bit, so I'll flip it around. Because, you know, the gold is really soft. Yeah, it's soft.
See, and different from silver, I have to anneal it again if it's silver.
Yeah, with this is fine. You know what I mean? So I've
Yeah.
made it about half as thick as it was, and then we'll anneal, and then we'll just go on with our milling and everything else. The only thing I do at this stage is I look at it, and if I have any corner that's too sharp, I might just give it a little whack. But it looks pretty good.